Bullish Rose value forecast is 8 cents to 36 cents. Oasis organization cost could likewise reach 10 cents soon. Bearish Rose cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. In Desert Spring organization cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Rose to examine the future development of the digital money. Desert Garden organization current market status. The cost of Desert Garden organization is 6 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,671,683 at the hour of composing. In any case, Rose has expanded by almost 0.3% as of now. Besides, Desert Garden organization has a flowing inventory of 5,029,357,184 rows. As of now, Desert Garden organization exchanges digital money trades like Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Bitrue, LBank, Gate.io. What is Desert Spring organization? Desert Spring organization is the local utility badge of the Desert Spring organization. Rose was sent off in November 2020 on the organization. Desert Garden organization is a protection-centered brilliant agreements put together blockchain worked with respect to Universe SDK. The organization zeroes in more on advancing protection and classification, very much like the Cardano blockchain. Desert Garden organization additionally involves a double-layer model, agreement layer, and paratime layer. Both the agreement and the computational activities are isolated inside the layers. Rose tokens act as exchanges inside the organization. It is conveyed in the marking and appointment components of Desert Spring organization. Desert Spring organization value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Desert Spring organization spread out the upset head and shoulder design. It is the backwards of the head and shoulder design. By and large, in this example, the cost activity slides downwards and afterward ascends. In this way, shaping 3 boxes in the example, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. This example can be a possible sign for the impending bullish market. In the event that the cost activity lays out a breakout over the neck area obstruction, the cost could ascend to new highs. At present, Desert Garden organization is in the scope of 6 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Rose could arrive at the obstruction levels of 6 cents and 7 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Rose might tumble to 5 cents. The graphs show that Desert Garden organization has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Rose could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at 36 cents. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Desert Spring organization could plunge to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Desert Spring organization value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Desert Spring organization is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Rose lies underneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Desert Garden organization is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, Desert Garden organization cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Rose has entered a negative state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Rose whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the Rose is 49.54. This implies that Desert Spring organization is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of Rose might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Desert Spring organization value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Desert Garden organization. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Desert Garden organization. As of now, the ADX of Rose lies in the scope of 16.87555, and in this way, it shows a powerless pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the general unpredictability record of Desert Spring organization. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Rose lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Desert Spring organization is at 49.54, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Rose with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Desert Garden organization. From the above outline, we can decipher that BTC, ETH, and Rose are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Rose likewise increments or diminishes separately. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Desert Garden Organization could likely accomplish 30 cents by 2023. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Desert Spring Organization could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Rose could energize to hit 50 cents by 2024. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Desert Garden Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, Rose would mobilize to hit 70 cents. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Desert Spring Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Rose would mobilize to hit 90 cents. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Desert Spring Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Rose would mobilize to hit $1. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2028. In the event that Desert Spring Organization holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a critical cost rally. In this manner, by 2028, Rose would hit $3. Desert Garden Organization Value Forecast 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Desert Garden Organization, it would observe significant spikes. Rose could hit $5 by 2029. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Desert Spring Organization biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Desert Spring Organization for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Desert Garden Organization could hit $7 by 2030. And, with non-stop enhancements in the Desert Spring Organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Rose. Hence, the bullish value forecast of Desert Spring Organization in 2022 is 36 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Desert Garden Organization cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Desert Garden Organization biological system, the presentation of Rose would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 59 cents very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 10 cents on the off chance that the financial backers accept that Rose is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Desert Spring Organization? Desert Garden Organization is the utility badge of the Desert Spring Organization. Desert Garden Organization is a security-centered brilliant agreements put together stage worked with respect to Universe SDK. 2. Where could you at any point buy Desert Garden Organization? Desert Garden Organization has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which include Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Bitrue, LBank, Gate.io. 3. Will Desert Garden Organization come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Desert Garden Organization stage, Desert Spring Organization has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Desert Garden?